Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia and Sara English Academy. Yes guys, you heard it right. Now the name of my channel has been renamed. It has become now from Sonia English Academy to Sonia and Sara English Academy. And now you might be thinking that why this change? So guys, it's as simple as that. My full name is Sonia Ansari. That's why I was thinking yesterday that I should reveal my full name. My full name is Sonia Ansari. That's why I have changed the name of my channel. It's nothing more than that, right? Now let's dive into the main topic, that is consistency. Yes, you heard it right, guys. Consistency. Consistency is the key to success. Consistency is the key to achieve anything. Without consistency, we can't achieve anything. Because fluency, learning English, learning any communication skill, learning anything depends not only motivation, not your passion, not your hard work. It more depends on your consistency. Because whenever you do something in passion, you start something as something very passionately. One day you are very motivated, you heard any motivational video and you have become inspired, you have become motivated, and you start with passion. What will happen after 3 days, or if you are more passionate, if you are much passionate, then it might be 10 to 15 days. But what about after that? Consistency is always better than any other thing. Consistency is better than your motivation. Consistency is better than your passion. Consistency is better than your hard work. And consistency is better than any other skill. Because let me talk about passion. Passion inspires you to do anything wholeheartedly. But what will happen when passion will get down? You won't be able to be consistent. If you are motivated, motivation is the thing that it sometimes falls down. We can never be motivated all the time. We are living in a life not at this time, every time. It's been since ages. Motivation works only for a certain period of time. Motivation is not permanent thing. Passion is also not permanent thing. If there is anything which is permanent, that is consistency. For example, if you are doing something very passionately, if you are doing something very with motivation, but you are not consistent, then you can never achieve anything. We can have the example of a person who who does everything when he is motivated, who does everything when he is motivated and start doing the things with passion. But when passion and motivation gets down, and it is obvious that passion will come down at one point, it's a universal fact. A human being can never be motivated all the time. But on the other hand, if we have the example of a person who is not much motivated, who is not much passionate, but he is consistent. The person who is consistent, he works in a disciplined way. Consistency teaches us to be disciplined. A person who is consistent, he will always have a schedule to do the thing. He will have a proper routine, and he will be what should I say, he would be disciplined. He will definitely get success in achieving his goal. For example, if you work hard on your spoken and you are consistent, even for 5 minutes, 3 minutes a day, you are giving 3 to 5 minutes a day every single day to your spoken practice, it's 100% sure that by the end of the month you will achieve some extent of fluency. You will achieve fluency to some extent. It's 100% guaranteed that you will definitely improve your level of speaking. On the other hand, if a person is motivated by watching any video that you can do everything like this, as motivational speakers tell lots of things, they motivates you, right? They motivate you, but he is doing 1 hour practice daily, but only for 5 to 10 days. And on the other hand, one person is doing practice only 5 minutes, but consistent in his practice for 1 month. Who will have progress? Yes, tell me in the comment, who will get success? Obviously the person who is consistent. And I can have the example, it is, what should I say, I am one of the biggest example of consistency. No, I'm not saying, I'm not appreciating myself, I'm just saying that when I was not consistent, how my fluency got down. When I was a teacher, 4 years ago I was a teacher, and I was okay. I was confident to speak before the students. As I told yesterday in my video, that I was okay. I was a good speaker, in fact, but just because of lack of consistency within these 4 years, as I'm not teaching now. I'm on break for last 4 years. And what happened during these 4 years? As I was not consistent for my speaking, the confidence, the speaking, the fluency, it got down to zero. And now only for last 1 month, where I have uploaded 30 videos, 30 days challenge. I took 30 days challenge to improve myself. And within just 1 month, with consistency, don't forget the fact that this 1 month with consistency gave me fluency. This is the result. This is the power of consistency. If you are not consistent, you can't get anything in your life. However motivated you are, how much hard work you are doing, you are not gonna get any result. Everything is temporary, but the permanent thing in spoken, if there is any permanent thing and spoken in practice, that is only the consistency. If you do, for example, if you want to go to the market, how do you reach the market? When you start from your home, when you start walking, when you start walking to the market, you will reach to the market within that much time that is needed. For example, the time duration from your home to the market is 5 minutes or 10 minutes, for example, right? If it takes 10 minutes to reach the market from your home, you will reach only within 10 minutes. But if you are consistent with your food, with your walking. If you will stop anywhere, for example, someone you meet someone on the way and you start talking to your friend, what will be the result of that? You won't be able to reach to the market within 10 minutes. If you will stop and talk to your friend, and if you are talking to your friend for 30 minutes, then it will take 40 minutes to reach the market. This is an example that if you are consistent to walk to the market, then it will take only 10 minutes. And if your consistency will break, you will stop, you will talk, then it will take long time to reach your goal, right? So if you want to speak English fluently, you will definitely be able if you are consistent. It will take a certain amount of time that is needed, but if your consistency will break in between, the goal of speaking will take long time. Are you getting the point? Because I the fluency which I got within just 1 month, I couldn't achieve it within 1 month if I wasn't consistent. If my consistency would break, if I would have taken 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 days gap, it wasn't take 30 days. Let me simplify this. I got fluency within just 30 days. But what if I took 1 week gap? Then my fluency would have taken 40 days. If I took 10 days gap, my fluency would have taken 40 days. So as much delay you do, as much break you take, then as much delay your goal. The more you break the consistency, the more you take time to get fluency. So don't take breaks, don't have distraction. I know we are living in a time when we are distracted by social media, the Facebook, the Instagram, anything. We just want to enjoy by watching all these things. But if your concentration should be on your goal, you will be consistent. You will ignore all the things. You will ignore all the things which are holding you from getting your goal. So just be consistent. Consistency is the only thing which will speed up your fluency. Without consistency, you won't be able to get fluency, because fluency needs a process of consistency. If you break the consistency, you break the fluency. So it's my humble request to all of you that I I would request you to set a time limit, and that time limit should be given at any cost. For example, if you are very busy and you are not getting time to prepare for the to work on your English, then just set a time. For example, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't say that give 1 hour, just give 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes more 15 minutes are enough to practice. And if you have decided 15 minutes, then at any cost these 15 minutes should be given to the practice with consistency. If you give 15 minutes every single day for 1 month, you will 100%, more than 100%, you will improve automatically. And don't pay attention on any other thing, the grammar, the vocabulary, the rules, the sentence structure, the any other thing. Don't think any other thing, just think about your goal. As Arjun watched, there was a goal. Arjun set a goal before his eyes. He was watching only the eye of the fish. So many people were called to shoot that fish, and they were asked, "What are you watching?" They were saying, I'm watching fish." All the people said different things. Some said, "I'm watching the fins of the fish. I'm watching fish. I'm watching this, and I'm watching that, and I'm watching. There is something else beside the fish." But the Arjun said, "No, I don't see. I'm not able to see any other thing, just the eye of the fish." If your concentration is like that, if you are watching only your spoken, you are not watching any other excuses, then you will be able to see only the eye of the fish, only your practice, only your spoken, only your future. If you see that your future is there behind spoken, you are watching this, and you know this is English. For example, this is English, right? And I'm standing here, and beside this, behind this, my bright future is there. So you have to cross this bridge of English speaking, and you know that after crossing this bridge of English speaking, I will have a bright future. So just look at the future. If you will concentrate on your future, then you will easily cross this English speaking journey. Because uh, um, behind English, your future is shining. You have a bright future behind English. Your bright future is hidden behind English. So look at your future and your English. Don't look any other excuse that you don't have time. You have these responsibilities, you have those responsibilities, you have this work, you have that work, I have to do this, I have to do that. No, the people who have become successful in the world, they were also like human beings. They also had responsibilities. They were also were compelled to do so many other things other than their goals, but they managed to put aside their other things, and fulfilling their responsibilities, they achieved their goal. Not a single person in this world is like who have not fulfilled his responsibilities. Without fulfilling responsibilities, he has become successful. No, all the successful people are first responsible for their responsibilities, for their duties. So why are you thinking that you are busy in this, you are busy in that, you don't have the partner, you don't have environment, you don't have anyone to speak about? No, everything is possible in this world. So think that you can do impossible things. Change the mindset, right? So if you will think about only about your goal, you will be consistent. And if you will be consistent, then only you will be able to reach your goal. Without consistency, you can't be able to achieve, you can't be able to speak, because English speaking needs practice, and practice needs consistency. Yeah, let me tell it again. Let me repeat it. English speaking needs practice, and practice needs consistency. Consistency needs passion. If you are passionate, then be passionate about your consistency. No any other thing. Without consistency, nothing is possible. So the video is getting longer than 20 minutes, and I don't want this video to get boring. So it was just, I am the biggest example, one of the biggest example of the consistency. I was consistent irrespective of the circumstances. I was also busy, I was also responsible. I'm a single mother at this time in India. I have lots of things to do, but with all these things, I was consistent with my decision. I was determined with the decision that I would upload. I didn't know that I would get fluency. Yes, the main point is that I didn't know that I would get fluency within just 1 month. I was just I was just thinking, I knew only one thing. I didn't know that I would get one fluency within 1 month, but I knew one thing only, that I would be consistent. I would be consistent until the day I get fluency. And also after getting fluency, I will be consistent. Because English is like out of sight, out of mind, out of practice, out of mouth. If you don't practice, you lose fluency. Yesterday, I completed my 30 days challenge. Then now, today, I'm here again recording my video just to be consistent. And I'll be consistent. It might be possible that on any day, because within these during these 30 days, there was my one of my best friend passed away, and I wasn't able mentally to record my video, just because of some you can understand when someone passed away passes away, right? So what I did, I uploaded 2 videos, I think next day or next to next day. So it's all about consistent. English is all about consistency. Confidence is all about consistency. Fluency is all about consistency. Reaching your goal is all about consistency. Nothing else. Right? So catch you in the next video. And also do comment that I would be consistent from today onwards, right? And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe my channel, as I want to be encouraged. I feel happy if you always feel happy whenever you are appreciated. Although I don't care much about the appreciation, but the people feel motivated, and I want to be consistent with the motivation, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.